In today's video I'm gonna show you how to install a dash cam on Dodge Charger 2007 and similar models. Okay, so we got the screen here and the wires, so we put those rubber mountings around it. So there's the camera, right? Okay, so everything is right here, the wires. I disconnected the camera, as you can see. Now I'm gonna show you how I installed it. Okay, on the rear bumper we have a camera. These are wires I'm charging the battery. So I installed it here, right next to this, where the light is. So I know that this could be like in a way of the license plate itself, but once you install the license plate, you can release here and remove it to install the license plate. But once it's installed, why I installed it here, because I don't want to drill like inside the trunk or something, because when it's gonna be opening, it's gonna be like really bad for the wire and everything. So as you can see, I put screws in there and this sticky stuff that comes with it. So, and I put like this screw like right in the middle, so I can adjust it, if I need if I need to turn it a little. And as you can see, there's like this hole here where I'm gonna put this wire. See, this is a zip tie that I actually, so I drilled a hole like right here. You will need to remove this part. Okay, there's like a couple of clips here and there, so you might need to disconnect this as well, this stuff. Okay, because I'm gonna be putting wire through here. So as you can see, I drilled a hole here and I put this in there, and I wrapped the tape around it, and now I'm gonna go ahead and pull it, and it should come out here. Come on, don't get stuck. I should have used a thicker drill bit. Anyway, I got it through. I'm gonna leave it, not too tight, so I can turn it and adjust it like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the wires right here, right on top, like this, and one of the wires will go down and one will go here. The wire that's gonna go down is this one. I'll be putting it like right there and underneath there. So I put two wires here. Now one is going down here. I'm gonna cover this with this, and I'm gonna try to put this in here. Okay, I got the wire in here. Now I'm putting it inside here. Now I'm gonna put this inside here. Okay guys, so as you can see, this right here this up, and I put like on the top. You can see over there. And I'm gonna attach this wire here with the tape and pull it inside. Okay, now I got the wire through. With this, I pulled it. And okay, now this wire right here, it has to be connected to reverse this light here. So I disconnected this, and now I'm gonna turn on the reverse and put it on the parking brake, and check with the light. Okay guys, so here's the light. I put it here because this would be negative. The whole car is negative. So now see, this light is on, the reverse is on, this one's not. So I'm gonna use this kind of like a wire, and you can just insert it here. And I got this one right here. See, the light is on. This light is on. Okay, so it's this one, because all the others don't work. Only this one works. So I have to connect to this wire. Connect to this wire. This one here. This will actually send a signal to the camera to turn on. Okay, and reverse will turn on automatically. This is connected. I'm just gonna put this wire inside there. And just pull out the rest, pull it in. Like so. Okay, just enough. Oh, there's actually still some more. Okay, the wires in there. Everything looks good. You can use some silicone here, just in case. Okay, so put the wire in, and here as well. And the rest of the wires, you can put them in the trunk if you want, where there's a lot of space right behind that plastic cover, or you can put it in here. I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, and then close everything and it should be good. So okay guys, yeah, that's it. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see how it works. Okay. Okay. And this is the reverse. And I'm gonna show you how. When you put your car into reverse, okay. Okay. I'm gonna put it into reverse. See? Boom. It turns on. And you can see the lines and everything. Set it to park. See? To reverse again. See, everything works. So yeah guys. Oh, and yeah, I forgot to show you. You can remove this and then this will lock inside there. It's got two clips here, and I put the wire inside there and around there, and this wire is right here, and I'm gonna pull it here and use a zip tie here and another zip tie here, and just leave it like that. And my thing is broken here, but I'm gonna fix that later, and this I would just leave it like that, because this way it can turn on and turn off automatically when you pull the key out. So yeah, if this video was helpful, like the video, also subscribe to my channel.